Sangam is delighted to announce the AI solutions Aryabhatta. In memory of a great mathematician and astronomer, who has invented the number 0, the first person who has calculated the exact value of pi, we named our framework. Why Aryabhatta? Aryabhatta solutions. These are the models which we are going to demonstrate in this video. Let us start with the first demo. It contains with 6 steps. Now let us dive into the demo. Let us log into Aryabhatta. Now we will be launching the image classification and it will take to the workspace. Click on the plus button under projects and provide a name to create a project. Here we can see the PMS project was created. Click on the plus button to add the label. Create as many labels you need. Here we are creating 2 labels. Click on the plus button to add the images for each and every label you have created. A pop-up rises, drag on drop or choose the image path and click on upload as shown. Click on the build button as shown. A pop rise up. Do provide the required number of epochs. Train batch. Validate batch size of your requirement. Click on the build button to view the accuracy percentage. Now click on the predict button as shown. A pop rise up. Select the previously built model and provide a URL from the web. Click on predict button. Here we can see the prediction result of the image provided. Click on the deploy button as shown. A pop rise up. Do provide the email ID and select the previously built model. Select the target deployment location of your choice and click on the deploy button. Once the deployment is successful, mail notification will be sent to the provided mail lid with the links of where we can get the access to check the deployment process. Click on the first link. It will now navigate to the OpenShift URL. It provides 3 options as UI, JSON, Swagger. Select UI. A pop-up rises to provide the URL from the web which we previously provided and click on predict button. Here we can see the accuracy of the image provided. Now by using the second URL from the mail, we do get the accuracy of the image in Postman. Now we have successfully completed the demonstration of the basic image classification model. Now let us dive into the feedback basic image classification model. Now let us try to predict with the new image. For that, click on the predict button. A pop-up rises, select the previously deployed model and provide the URL of the image which you like to predict. Click on the predict button as shown. It now shows the accuracy of the image with 2 symbols, thumbs up and thumbs down. If the accuracy and the name of the pic suits, then select the thumbs up button. If the pic differs from the name, select the thumbs down button. If we click on the thumbs down button, then pop-up rises with the request for adding the new label. Provide a label name and click on save button. We can add that label by switching into the admin user as shown. Here we can see that the label was successfully added in the project. Select that label and click on the plus button to add the more images in that label. Drag and drop or provide the path of the images and click on the upload button. Now click on the build button. A pop-up rises and provide the number of required epochs. Train batch, valid batch and click on the build button. Here we can see the accuracy percentage as shown. Now click on the predict button. A pop-up rises to select the previously deployed model and provide the URL of the image from the web, then click on predict. Here we can see the image and its accuracy percentage. By this, we have successfully completed the demonstration of feedback basic image classification model. Now let us dive into the image classification model by zip. Now click on the upload zip files as shown. Click on the choose file as shown, select the zip file and click on the upload button. All the matter in the zip file was extracted and created as a project and labels with the images in it. Click on the build button as shown. A pop-up rises and provide the required number of epochs. Train batch, valid batch. Click on the build button. Here we can see the accuracy percentage of the build. By this, we have successfully completed the image classification model by zip file. That's all for this video. For any queries, please reach us at vijay.reddy@sangam.ai.